Secretary, Right Honorable Moses Wetangula, the Speaker, and all protocols observed. Your Excellency, I came to Parliament 10 years after Honorable Duale had joined Parliament. And it was quite admiring to share a plenary with Honorable Duale because we were used to seeing him on TV, on debates, and in political scenes, in political rallies. But there are two things that Honorable Duale used to tell us as new and young members of Parliament. Number one, he told us that never forget your family. I remember him telling me that do not leave your wife for whatever reason. And today when I see you seated next to your wife, I see truly you live by your words. Number two thing that Honorable Duale used to tell us, Your Excellency, is that government does not lose. At times things could be very challenging in the flow of the House. But he would say that you cannot lose. And he was very sharp to the extent that when situations were challenging in the flow of the House, he would be smart enough to withdraw when he does not have numbers in the flow of the House. You know, fast forward, Your Excellency, I have learned that the things you would say are the things that I need to apply now. That as a leader in the National Assembly, I have an obligation to make sure that the government does not lose. Even when it's unpopular, that it will not lose. And by the way, it's important for me to state that even as at now, as the Cabinet Secretary in the Executive, he still finds time to call some of us and remind us that, remember, you're a leader in the National Assembly and government does not lose. Please do not lose. Although, Your Excellency, there are times that I questioned myself on really what friendship is in terms of politics. When Honorable Duale was ousted from office, at the very week he had pushed government agenda with zeal, that very week he was actually ejected from office unceremoniously. But of importance is the way he behaved even after that.